Most leaders don't realize they need a personal brand until it's too late. Here's the exact 6-month step-by-step personal branding process of one of our clients. She was a seasoned HR leader and approached us in September with a growing concern. What happens after March? The obvious answer was build a personal brand. And let's not forget, even in HR, people trust people. So a strong personal brand doesn't just help in job searches. It also makes you a magnet for top talent and industry connections, even near existing role. Unlike some of the other sales and marketing leaders that we work with, HR leaders are usually camera shy. So we started a bit differently. We started with 6 written posts and 2 newsletters every month. And this hardly took 15 minutes of her time the entire month because we have the entire content team and she just edited it to her liking. Basically, a simple twice a week posting routine to build momentum. 2 months in, she started seeing real traction, more engagement, profile views, inbound messages. So she did agree to add 1 video a month, but we ensured that she doesn't need to be looking into the camera. She simply recorded her screen on Zoom, where you share the screen with a small circle at the corner. She actually showed the video of how she's using ChatGPT, Perplexity, etc. to evaluate CVs. This was excellent for multiple reasons. One, it was instant value to job seekers. The video just didn't showcase her expertise. It educated her audience, making her a go-to authority. And the results speak for themselves. Her follower count nearly doubled. She built connections with CEOs and HR leaders, which were primarily her ICP or her ideal customer profile. And in January, she realized that she needed to take a step further because it was looking a little more dismal in April. So we added LinkedIn sales outreach to her plan. It's very heartening for me to say this, but the entire personal branding from that day that she started in January, she landed a job in 15 days flat. Even professionals made this mistake that job hunting is a 15-day activity. If you just want to grab whatever's available, that's fine. But if you're looking to land a high value role where you'll thrive for, let's say, the next 5 years, you need a strategy. So start early, build credibility, and make your next move before you're forced to.